Today we're starting a new vocab lesson, which is Unit 8. But before, I want to remind you of the parts of speech, the noun, the verb, and the adjective. Of course, you all remember or recall that a noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing, while the verb is a word that expresses action. As for the adjective, it's a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Let's start with the first vocab word, which is alternate. Alternate can be a verb, a noun, or an adjective. As a verb, it means to take turns. As a noun, it's a person acting or prepared to act in place of another, which is a substitute. As an adjective, it means being a choice between two or more things. For example, the bus driver took an alternate route. Now, demolish. Demolish is a verb and it means to tear down or to break to pieces. So, a wrecking crew arrived to demolish the old building. Energetic. Energetic is an adjective and it means full of energy. Our teacher has an energetic assistant, so our assistant is full of energy. Enforce. Enforce is a verb and it means to force obedience to. Okay, so it is the duty of the police to protect citizens and enforce the laws, which means to force obedience to the laws. Feat. Feat is a noun and it's an act or deed that shows daring or skill or strength. Okay? For example, the crowd cheered when the circus strongman performed a mighty feat. Now let's go to hearty. Hearty is an adjective and it's related to the heart and the feelings of the heart, which is warm and friendly, healthy, strong, large, and satisfying. We all sat down to a hearty meal. Okay, synonyms: cheerful, friendly, fit, healthy, plentiful. Antonyms, which are the opposite words: insincere, phony, sickly. Mature. Mature as a verb is to bring to or reach full development or growth. As an adjective, it means fully grown or developed. So a field of mature oats, fully grown or developed oats. Observant. Observant is an adjective and it means watchful. From observe. Okay? An observant guard spotted the vandals. Of course, he is watchful. Primary is an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, it means first in importance or in time or order, basic, fundamental. As a noun, it means an early election that narrows the choice of candidates which will run in a final election. So the challenger won the primary. Okay, primary is the first step of elections. Resign. Resign is a verb. It means to give up a job. Richard Nixon was the first president to resign from his office, or from office. Strive is a verb and it means to devote much energy or effort, to try hard. You must strive to finish your homework. Verdict is a noun and it means the decision of a jury at the end of a trial or legal case. Any decision taken usually by the jury, okay? The jury brought in a guilty verdict. Fine, so the verdict is the decision made by the jury at a court or at a trial in a court.